Ken Chan, may pa-flowers kay Jillian Ward. Welcome to my channel. Kapuso actor na si Ken Chan, bigla ang sinurpresa si Jillian Ward kahapon lamang nitong February 28, araw ng Miyerkules. Huli man ang kanyang birthday gift para sa kapuso aktres, pero it's better late than never naman, di ba? Tuwa at magagalak na ngiti naman ang naging reaksyon ng aktres sa ginawa ng aktor. Sino ba namang hindi kikiligin sa ginawang ito ni Ken Chan? Narito at panoorin ang naging ganap.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. We wanna chase the night